Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can bold fonts in WhatsApp. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to bold any font in WhatsApp, it is a very simple matter, as you need to simply tap open your WhatsApp app, and once you open it you need to tap open the chat you want to chat with. So once you open that person, all you need to do now is simply on the asterisk 123 mark, and from there choose the asterisk mark. After you tap on the asterisk mark, you need to type in the sentence or the letter that you want to send, and simply again you need to end your sentence with the asterisk mark which you had used before. So after you do this, your sentence or letter will automatically be bold. This is the internal system that WhatsApp has created, so you can see the difference between the bold app and the normal text. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.